Hello and welcome to a new tutorial for PowerPoint. I'm Dr. Arifa Garman, the Director of E-Learning. Like I've done in Word, we're going to have short segments of tutorials on how to open, use, and edit PowerPoint. I will turn my video off so we can focus on the task at hand. So let's start. So first, as you always do, you come to where the start button is, which is the Windows symbol. Click on it, and as you can see, I have it here pinned, but all you need to do right now is begin typing, and notice that it's automatically, it actually anticipates PowerPoint, so you click on it, and when you click on it, now you're starting a new, this is a new PowerPoint. So this is where we're opening the program. You can also open a previously saved PowerPoint. Notice that the tabs up here are similar to Word. Microsoft Office has similar looks and feel. So just like we've done in Word, the insert button you're going to find has more or less the same thing. So going back to the home, File is hidden, but it's often highlighted, so we're going to click on it, and now we're going to learn how to open a file. So this is something that someone sent you, so I'm going to go to e-learning, PowerPoint for training, and I'm just going to open anything. So formative and summative assessment, and I'm going to open it, and there is the PowerPoint open. So let's say I want to right now save it. So someone sent you a PowerPoint. I'm going to rename it so that I don't mess up with this one. So I'm going to go save as. Remember, if you're saving it new, even though this is really not new, but I really don't want to mess with my original PowerPoint so that I can do some editing to show you. So I'm going to go save as, and I'm going to choose to save it in a folder that I created yesterday. So this is department meeting test, and I'm just going to call this testing PowerPoint. And remember, I said before, Microsoft Office allows you to have the name long. So I make my names descriptive. So when I look at it, I say, this was just in PowerPoint, so I can delete it. So now I saved it. It's saved in a different folder and under a different name. So we've got to opening the program, we've got to starting and resaving. So let's say now I really don't want this as to be the first slide. So I go new slide, see where it says new slide, and I can click and move it up, and now it becomes the first slide. I can also now change the slide style. So this is the title slide, which I think I need the title slide. So you can choose any of these slides that you want. The one that they gave me is this one, title and content, which is what most slides are going to have. So since this is going to be my first one, I'm going to choose it. Notice how so I'm going to say testing PowerPoint, oops, not misspelling, by Dr. Arifa, Garman. So, but notice that because I was in the slide, it always adds the slide after the one. Once you hover over, once it's highlighted right there, so I click on my left with the left button on my mouse, drag it up, and then I move it up. So this is, I'm adding a slide. If I'm editing a slide, so let's say I'm going to click on this one, which is the fourth slide, and now I need to edit the slide and say what is assessment. There really needs to be here a question mark. I can also come in the content, assessment, a process of observing and measuring. So I can just say I want to delete this and then make sure that I have observing and measuring learning. So you can add content, and you can edit content. I'm actually going to stop this video right now so that we can go into the next video. Hope this helps. I'll see you in the next tutorial.